Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wolf Watch Club for another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Brew Super Metric in Burnt Orange. Now, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for more content and watch reviews like this. And for more information about Wolf Watch Club, please make sure to visit wolfwatchclub.com. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the unboxing. Right off the bat, we have this nice Brew brochure showcasing all of the collections within the Brew brand with really cool promotional photos of all of their beautiful designs. Now let's go ahead and get the box out. Very straightforward packaging. Got the Brew logo right on top there. Now let's go ahead and get the top open. Here is your booklet for the metric line with a lot of really fun photos, very colorful, tells you everything you need to know about your Brew metric, such as how to size the bracelet, how to use the crown and chronograph pushers and all the functions on the watch. Cool little booklet. Something you don't see a lot at this price point, you do get a bracelet adjustment tool. These are really helpful and really nice. So that's greatly appreciated. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the travel case here. But before we do that, you have this really cool Brew microfiber cleaning cloth to keep your watch clean. Travel case is really nice and compact. It's got the Brew logo right on the front there. And let's go ahead and pop this open and take our first look at the Brew metric. And there it is. Immediately on first impression, the orange really stands out, and I really love the orange chronograph pusher. That kind of reminds me of the big red pushers on Handheart chronographs, for those of you who are familiar with that design. Let's go ahead and get this out of the case now. Take a closer look at the dial. Again, those orange accents are absolutely stunning. They really pop. The dial looks amazing. For those of you who don't know, Brew watches are heavily inspired by coffee machines and the industrialized designs of like the 70s and the 80s. Hence how you get this beautiful kind of retro futuristic design. It's a 36mm stainless steel case that has both brushed and polished finishing. Watch comes in at just under 11mm thick, and you have this nice sapphire crystal. And on the side there, you can see the signed Brew crown and the orange chronograph pusher again. The bracelet is also brushed and polished with a signed clasp and micro adjustments on the bracelet. Let's go ahead and take the watch off the pillow here. And again, take a closer look here. The proportions of this watch are really exceptional. It's thin, it's light. Take a look at the case back here. You got the Brew logo there. And when we take a closer look at the dial, you have the Brew logo here at the 3 o'clock position. And I really like the texture of the black dial here. It almost reminds me of kind of like coffee grounds. I don't know if that's the intent, but it does remind me of kind of that coffee motif. Taking a look at the running sub-seconds, it's really well done. Love the retro styling here especially. Under the hood, of course, you have the Seiko Hybrid VK68 Mecha Quartz chronograph movement, which is extremely popular because of its reliability, its accuracy, and it seamlessly blends both mechanical and quartz technology together in one movement. Using the crown, changing and setting the time is super smooth. No issues there. Overall, my final thoughts on this Brew Super Metric, it is a really compelling option under $500, especially if you're looking for that reliability and accuracy and quality that you get from a Seiko movement, but you want something a little bit more different. Especially if you're someone who is a coffee lover, this is a really, really cool brand that's doing a lot of really unique things, a lot of cool colors, a lot of cool dial designs. These watches definitely stand out on your wrist and are definitely going to be conversation starters. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Wolf Watch Club. again to catch more content like this, and let us know your thoughts down in the comments. Bye now.